A British business called Nyobolt claims to have made advancements in battery technology that could enable EVs to charge in under 10 minutes. This week, Nyobolt declared that it has discovered the Holy Grail of battery technology, allowing EVs to charge fully and repeatedly in under 6 minutes. Additionally, the startup asserts that this technology will begin to be produced in 2024. Since it presently takes longer to charge an EV than it does to fill up with fuel, faster charging would allow EVs to catch up to gasoline automobiles in terms of everyday convenience. Range anxiety decreases and EV battery packs might be smaller if charging is as simple as pumping gas. Together, Nyobolt and Callum, the company established by automotive designer Ian Callum, created an electric sports car to showcase the potential. Julian Thompson, the architect of the first Lotus Elise, created the vehicle. It is similar to the small sports car, which also served as the inspiration for the Tesla Roadster. More than just superficially, but it is broader and longer. In addition, cameras are used in place of the exterior mirrors. According to a Nyobolt press release, the EV has a body made of carbon fiber and weighs less than 4,400 pounds on average. It also has a relatively modest 35 kWh battery pack. According to Nyobolt, a 6-minute charge results in 155 miles of range, while an hour of charging increases the range by 1,600 miles. Nyobolt did not address the sports car's production schedule, but the firm asserts that it is prepared for a rapid scale-up of its battery technology. Over 2,000 fast charge cycles have been tested thus far, without significant performance loss, claims the firm. Nyobolt is also promoting its battery technology for usage in high-end automobiles, trucks, and buses.